Assembly. Now, if you Synod any by General Assembly, into Synod Committee, and I'm told you say, oh yeah, Juma also in a General Assembly Council. So you served on that council for a very long time. Synod, make I say many professor be in common. Papa, they say the as a general mama, then I say first a cast or more Synod, they more dupa as compared to a General Assembly. Now, General Assembly, I say. To soon name says Synod.
Sometime in 1996, 1997, there was an evaluation of the church.
Okay.
Sponsored by one of our development partners. To evaluate the entire church.
Oh, okay.
The results were interesting and fascinating.
What?
We want to conform with the reformed
Tradition.
Structure
Okay.
of administration. Reformed tradition. They have 4 courts.
Okay.
And so we need to reorganize to have the 4 courts as well.
Oh, okay.
The congregation.
Okay.
They have the presbytery.
Okay.
They have the synod.
Okay.
And then they have the general assembly. That led to the creation of departments. 12 years now, we have adopted the general assembly structure. Can we pause and ask ourselves, from synod to general assembly, how far have we come? And how much more is left for us to arrive?
Okay.
Timid, so na mekanisa me say the core principle, the core value of the church was also compromised. No.
Okay.
The last thing I wanted to happen. So I made sure that every step, every procedure was followed.
Okay.
When we were at session, somebody called me out and said, hey, trouble is coming. Very soon you'll get an injunction. So quickly we decided we have to move a motion using the order
of procedure
and bring one matter ahead.
Okay.
It had never happened before.
The answer na bailiff no be do one
It didn't come cry.
Wow.